morning, viewers. Today we're talking about why Paddington is a therapy dog. And Paddington's been with me now. He's turning 10 in May of this year, 2020. And he's had 3 years of training. So we've done dog school training, ordinary obedience training. I've also done tracking work with him, and we've done attack work with him. You've seen some videos of him doing attack work and that. And I find that when the dogs have got attack behind them, they're actually more obedient, because you can actually get them to stop attacking mid-flight. So if they've already jumped to attack the person and you tell them to stop, they will just absolutely go into a pause mid-flight and go and sit down on their haunches. So the dogs are very good. However, Paddington is also automatically, all dogs can smell diseases, so they can smell bladder infections, they can smell cancers, they can smell depression. So they will automatically go and sniff the area that is infected or has the medical problem, and you need to watch your animals at home because that's automatically in them. Now, because Paddington is so well trained, he will listen to my commands. Paddington, come, stand. Paddywhack, come, stand. And because he's a little bit on the old side, he does struggle to stand up, but that's unfortunately the age thing. He's also had a knee surgery, so he understands chronic pain quite nicely, and he's very good with the patients in that he comes when they are sad and that. He comes and he stands by them and he helps them out. Paddington, sit. Sit. So you can see he's very well trained and very good dog, listens very nicely, and if I tell him to lie down, he'll lie down, and if I tell him to go lie in your bed, he'll go in his bed. Sometimes he's a little bit slow because he is old. Paddington, in your bed. In your box. In your box. Good dog. So that is a therapy dog for you. So we take him to the old age home where he goes and meets the old people there. He can smell the different bladder infections that are there in the old age home, and then we can tell the sisters that they need to be treated. And very good dog, greets everybody. If they don't like him, he'll go and lie in his bed on command. He will attack on command, he will chase cats on command, and just generally a very good dog. So you can train them even more to show you the diseases like the cancers and the depression and that. But if you tune into your dog, you can actually notice when they are showing it to you, and then you don't have to teach them to do it because it's automatic. So that's why Paddington's a therapy dog. He's also a Labrador, a chocolate Labrador, if you were wondering what breed he was. He is a chocolate Labrador. And a pure breed, a trial dog, which is why he's bigger than a normal Labrador. And when we get our new little dog, we will have Paddington around to help treat him or train him to do the things that he's supposed to do. Paddington has been trained to do his business in the corner in the back of the garden, so I don't have to pick up any dog poo. So you are able to train your dogs to do all kinds of things. I'm sure you've seen videos on YouTube of how good these animals are. And when they get good at it, you can actually command them by just showing your finger and not using your voice command at all, because you start off training them with hand signals and voice command, and then after a while you do it without the voice command and they'll automatically do it. So that's why Paddington's a therapy dog, and you can train your animals to be a little bit more polite around the show. That instead of messing in the house, you can train your dogs to mess outside. You can train them to come on command, you can train them to fetch, you can train them to do all kinds of stuff, but you've got to have the time and the patience to do it. And it's easier to do it at a dog school where they do it all, where you socialize your animals with all the other animals. But it's worth doing it because when you've got a nice, well-trained dog, it's a pleasure to have in the house. Now, we talk about these things in my book, Caring for Your Animals or Creatures Great and Small, how to look after a cat and a dog and a fish and a parrot. And Paddington is one of the features in the book. So get your copy for your children. There's also Animals Can Be Bullies too, where Paddington plays a big role. He's the sheriff there, and the kids would love to watch him in his dress-up outfits. He dresses up as all kinds of things with feathers on his back and hats on his head, and it's quite a cute pictures to see. The children will love it. So go and look for your books on Amazon and enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Send this to your friends and family with small kids that love animals, and let them get their own copies of their book available on Amazon. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.